Hey buddy, today in this video, we're making chicken sandwiches in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here one large chicken breast. We're gonna cut it in half. The next thing what we're gonna do is flatten the chicken breast so that they have even thickness. We have a meat tenderizer hammer here, and we're just gonna hit it a couple times just so that they're the same thickness. As you can see, it's about the same thickness. Okay, we have it in the bag. Next, we'll need half a cup of dill pickle juice. Then, we'll need half a cup of buttermilk. There you go. We're gonna pour it in. Okay, we're gonna close it up. And mix it around a little bit. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, the chicken has been marinating in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We're gonna put it to the side. And we have here half a cup of flour. We're gonna put in half tablespoon of paprika. There you go, half tablespoon of paprika. Half tablespoon of onion powder. Half tablespoon of garlic salt. And half tablespoon of black pepper. There you go. Mix it all in with a half cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put that to the side as well. We have here one egg. We're gonna crack it. Then we're gonna blend it. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put that to the side as well. Now we're gonna take the chicken and we're gonna coat it into the egg wash. And then we're gonna coat it into the flour, seasoned flour. There you go, that's one. I'm going to take the last one, dip it into the egg. And dip it into the flour. Remove any excess of the seasoned flour. We're going to put it on here. Next, we're going to take some cooking oil and spray it. Turn it around, do the same thing. There we go. And now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going for 400 degrees. And we're going to push start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. Now we're going to put in the chicken. Make sure they're spread out. There you go. Now we're gonna put it in. We're going for 400 degrees for a total time of 18 minutes. We're gonna push start and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 9 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Looking good. Go. We're just gonna spray a little bit more cooking oil. Okay, we're gonna put it in for the last 9 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 18 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's take it out. And now we're gonna check the temperature. Okay, it's well above 165 for that one. And it's over 165 for the other one as well. The buns that we're using is Village Hearth. We're gonna grab 2. First thing we're gonna add is some lettuce. And we're gonna put the chicken on top. We're gonna put some tomatoes on top. And some American cheese. Actually, we're gonna put the cheese on top of the chicken. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today. Chicken sandwich made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.